Hello everyone, this is just a quick video on my ident and kind of the research into it as well as the production. I just wanted to get it all through in one video so it was pretty clear and pretty concise. In terms of ident research, I've been looking at a lot of idents. I'll put a couple kind of ones that really stood out to me in this post, so if you just scroll below you'll see it. But as you can see here, I've literally just typed it into Google and a whole load have come up. Basically, from research and from looking at film trailers, I found they tend to be on for a couple seconds. 3 seconds seems to be the time. Therefore, they obviously have to be eye-catching and rememberable, and really stick in your head. Obviously, kind of the very well-known ones are stuff like Universal, Walt Disney. They also will sometimes involve movement and involve sound effects. I don't think this is really necessary, say for mine, which is, you know, an independent film and it's meant to be quite understated and not like, not a high budget film. So with that in mind, in terms of production, I have been using Roxio Photo Suite, which is one of the programs that came with this Roxio thing that I bought a couple of years ago. Just kind of for the accessibility, it's at home. I thought I'd get this done at home. It's really good. It has lots of features. I took a photo a while ago of Wilhelmina, and in the background there were these trees, and I thought that would be really cool to use as kind of a base photo for the ident. I want my ident to be simple, which hopefully I think it is. I'm going to put down 3 below, which you'll also see, of kind of the ideas of ones, and what I'm going to do is when it comes to the editing, I'm going to put them all, I'm going to try each one and see which one looks most effective. Yeah, so that, if you want to have a quick glance, is, you can't really see it, so that's pointless. That's the thing. What I did was, I started off with a blank canvas, then I put a fill colour of black on it, because I think it's more realistic if you have a black background than a white background, as well as that the picture that I'm using is a really light blue colour mainly, and with the filters on it looks pretty white. Then I copied the picture twice and I used special effects, and I kind of I changed the colour of each photo except for the original one, which is in the centre. So one of them has a slightly orangey colour and one of them has a slightly blue colour, and I kind of offsetted one of the photos diagonally left and upwards and the other one diagonally right downwards, so it kind of looks more blurred than it is. Hopefully an artistic effect, I'm thinking. Then one of them has outside the box pictures below, and one also has KJ Productions. That might be done in editing. I might like fade it out and in instead of it just being a whole thing that fades in. I think it could be cool to have the picture fade in and then, like, you know, one of those or both. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, that's kind of my ident idea. Obviously I'll get feedback from my target audience from it, but I think it fits in nicely. It's pretty understated, pretty just, I don't know, gets the point across. Obviously it's not the most important thing, but it's nice to do it in a way that you're happy with, and I'm pretty happy with that. So yes, filming is on in a week's time, so that should be good to get the final bits done, and when I say that I mean that this time, hopefully. Yeah, so that is my ident, and yes, okay, bye.